Hey preschoolers, it's Miss Sarah. Today we have a super fun science experiment for you to do at home. Before we get started, you're going to have to do a little prep. For the prep, you're going to take dried beans. I'm using baby lima beans. You can use any beans that you have around the house. And you're going to put them into a bowl of water. Now you're going to let the beans soak in the water overnight, and then we'll begin our science experiment. So pause the video and come back tomorrow after your beans have soaked. To finish the rest of the experiment, we're going to need a few things. You're going to need those dry beans. You're going to need a wet paper towel, and you're also going to need a plastic baggie and some tape. So pause the video now so you can go get the rest of your supplies. Awesome, now that you have the rest of your supplies, let's get to work. So we have these beans in the bowl, and we also have our dry beans. We're going to make an educated guess. Which beans do you think will sprout or start to grow first? Do you think the beans that we soaked overnight in water will, or do you think the dry beans will start to grow? Tell a parent what you think will happen. After you tell a parent what you think will happen, we're going to plant our beans. I'm going to plant our dry beans first. You're going to take that plastic baggie and your wet paper towel. You're going to place, I'm going to do the dry beans first, place the beans on the wet paper towel. And you're going to slide it into the baggie. Seal the bag. It should look like this. When you're done, ask your parents which window in the house has direct sunlight. This will help the beans grow. You're going to do the same thing with the beans you put in the water overnight. When you hang up the beans, make sure they're facing you so you can see their growth over time. Great job, preschoolers. Now you're ready to observe your experiment. As the days go by, check and see which beans are growing. Are the ones that you soaked in water growing faster than the ones that were dry? Talk to your parents about what you observed and see if you were right. I hope you guys have so much fun watching your beans grow and seeing if your educated guess was right. Have a great week. I love and miss you all.